Hello guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films. Today I'm going to be teaching you something that will be very useful to the filmmakers, especially the editors. How you can open Premiere Pro projects across versions. What do I mean? How you can open a project saved on CC 2019, you use a CC 2017 to open it. Very easy. I've run across these issues before, so I went online to find out how I can do that. So today I'm willing to share it with you guys. Stay tuned. Let's do this. Okay, now I have this project here open on a higher version than the one I have. So what I'm going to be doing, let me show you guys. So I will try to open this project. So guys, this is what I mean. This project was saved in a newer version of Adobe Premiere Pro and cannot be opened in this version. So how do you solve this issue? First of all, you have to make a duplicate of this project by copying and pasting it. So now I have a duplicate. So you need to do this because in case anything goes wrong, you can always fall back to this. So let's go. First of all, what we do, hit enter and change this name. Change it from the Adobe file to zip. Then hit enter. It will prompt you, are you sure you want to change the extension from this to zip? You say use zip. So once you change it to zip, then go ahead and extract it. Right click, you have different extracting, just extract the zip. Now the zip is here. You right click, what do? You need to open it up. So hit open, use a test tool. You can use any test stuff to open it, this or atoms, any of the test tool. You hit the test tool to open it. So wait for it. Okay, it opens up. Now you have to be very careful tampering with any of this code here. So what you have to do, there's how this is saved on different columns. See this column means 1. See this column to another column means 2. So you look for the 4th column and look for the version and rename it. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4th column. So this is the version you need to rename. So what do? Take it to the lowest version the first time they started. So you can take it to 1, or you can take it to 2. Definitely this version is 30 something. You can take it to 20, any version. But just to be on the safer side, you can always use a lower version in case, so that any of your Premiere Pros can open it. So but let's leave it on version 20. So what you do after that, you just hit save it. Once you're done saving it, then close the text editor. We are going to be working with another software called Keka. It's very light, you can download it. I'm going to be leaving the link below. So now you open Keka on your system. Keka. Now the default setting is usually on zip or z7 or anything, but change it from the z to gzip. So once it's on gzip, you drag this, drag it and drop it on top. Drag and drop like this. So it will say compress. You choose where you want it to be saved, just hit compress. So it will compress it. You close this up. So you compressed it. Where did you save it? We don't know. So where did we save? Okay, this is it here. Yeah, you compressed it. So this is it with gzip. So what we are going to be doing is to hit enter and rename this extension to Premiere Pro extension. So you delete the gz, then and put the PRPROJ, which is the Premiere Pro extension here. So once you hit that, you hit enter, it will prompt you. You say use this, boom, it's good to go. So this Premiere Pro now can now be open. Now let's hit open and see what happens. Open. So it prompts you as a newer version. So now it wants to upgrade. You say open, you say yes, open, test, you hit open. So it runs to locate your file. So I'm going to be offlining everything so that it can work normal. So now this is my project. Everything I was working on is still there. Every project, everything is still there. So why I didn't link it, because it's going to be taking a whole lot of time. So but everything is there. It's pretty easy. Every link, every software I use, I'll put the link below so that I can just download it. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, put your comments, tell me how you feel on the comment section, subscribe to the channels for more tutorials coming your way. Thank you. Stay tuned.